Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Gabby. I am doing a bit of a vlog, super casual style video today to show you guys my winter room tour. I am so excited to share my space with you. I have been so into home decor and interior inspiration lately, so I am so excited to finally show you my room and show you some of the Christmassy winter decorations that I put up in it and how I organize all my stuff into a tiny bedroom in a New York City apartment. If you guys have not been keeping up, I am posting a video every Monday and Wednesday in December, as well as posting daily on my blog. Tuesdays and Thursdays specifically are gift guides on there, so if you want to go check that out, head to ineedmoreclothes.com. And I'm also posting every single day on my Instagram at Gabriella Casella, and there's going to be a few surprises later on in the month, so you definitely want to follow me over there and check that out. Say hi to Jazz. Okay, so when you walk in, my bedroom is the first bedroom, and this is what it looks like. I moved this bedroom around so much, and I'm finally happy with how I organized it. So basically, right when you walk in is my bed. I got a full bed. It's the first time in my entire life I've ever had a full bed. And my comforter is from Macy's, Ralph Lauren. I'll link as much stuff as I can find in the description. And then I have my little Christmas pillow, which is from Target. And I got these pillows. Are a funny story. These are the first things I bought for the apartment. They're king size pillows, and I felt so adult getting king size pillows. So right here there's a shelf with all my books, and I turned them that way because I thought they looked cool. And then some little reindeer that I got at Target. And then my Happy Dreams posters, which I drew also right when we moved in. And that's what my mom always says to me before I go to sleep, so that's a little like shout out to my mom. And then right here is my little nightstand. This stool is from IKEA. It was like $5, and then I have this Chanel box on top. And then I have some little journaly things and planners, and then this lamp, which is from Target. And then I have my dresser, which I got at the Elephant's Trunk flea market. If you're 80 years old like me and you watch Flea Market Flip, that's the flea market they go to. And I got this dresser, and I completely sanded it down to pure wood, and then I stained it this really pretty like neutral brown, but it has like a gray tint to it. This was my this is my baby. Like, I worked so hard on this dresser. And then on top of it, I have a bunch of things. This is a drawer thing from IKEA, which I just put all my like desk things and my hairbrushes and like my calculator. They're kind of like junk drawers, but they have purposes. Like, this is all my like camera stuff, and I don't know, they're all the things that you would put near a desk, because I think this is actually supposed to mount to the wall and you're supposed to use it as a desk, but I didn't want to do that, so it's sitting there. And then I got these drawers from the Container Store, and I just put all my makeup in them. I can do a whole makeup storage video if you want me to, but that's what they're on both sides. And then on top of it, I have some Christmas decor. First, my Chanel box for my Chanel sunglasses. Then these two trees I got from Target for $5 each, and I love them. They go really well with everything else that I have. I just really like it. Then I have my candle from Magnolia, which I got while I was in Texas, a lighter for my candle, and then my little Eiffel Tower statues from the Eiffel Tower. And then moving over, I have my journal, which is my main journal, and then two little like pencil case makeup bags. And then I have my birthday flowers. My parents got me flowers and got them sent to me on December 1st to kick off my birthday month. They're really pretty. I really like them. I love flowers. And then over here, hidden behind them, is my little Ladder box. Adorable. Then my makeup brushes. Then a picture of me and my dad. I need to get a picture of me and my mom and put it here. Okay, moving over here, which is such a cute little corner. This is my jewelry tray with my most used rings and bracelets, and then hair ties, because I always lose hair ties, so I said I need a spot, and that's the spot. My little niffler, then this little tray, which it has all the horoscopes on it, which is why I got it. I thought it was really cute. Has my memory cards, a sage stick, which you burn and you like move it around the room and it purifies the air. Then I have this little hourglass thing. I'm obsessed with hourglasses, and this one I got in Florence. And then I have two little trees here. This one was $1 at Five Below, and this one from Marshall's. Not Marshall's, Home Goods. And then strung up I have these lights, which you can change the setting to make them twinkle or not twinkle. And then I just hung my baseball hats up because I didn't have a spot for them. That's really that for the dresser. And then I always put my laptop there because it's the right height that I can still open the drawers. And then I don't sit on my laptop. Okay, moving over, I have this little jewelry holder, which I got at Michael's. And I thought it was really perfect because I don't have enough room on my dresser to put like a stand-up one. So I got this one and I nailed it into the wall. And you can really easily turn it and see all the necklaces. So that's my silver one, and then there's one over here right by my bed with all my gold stuff. This is hidden from view, and this is all my whiteboard stuff and just my index cards. And then there was just enough space over here to put my tripod and my filming light, which I was so happy about because we don't have like a hall closet, so I don't know where I would have put that. So this is my windowsill. It's a little messy right now, but I basically have my lavender spray, this really pretty Lennox thing I got at a flea market with all my scrunchies. Excuse me, hi. You want to be in the video? Okay, Jazz has joined us. This is my little succulent plant named Jerry, and then my two most worn perfumes, and then this dish is from Magnolia with this really pretty book underneath it I got for Christmas last year. And then over here I have this really pretty planter. This really pretty planter, it's like iridescent and it has all my sunglasses in. That was from Home Goods. And then my oil diffuser, so you can like make your room smell really good, and like aromatherapy. And then my lint roller, which is key with this one. Okay. Then right here, this is the little corner that gets really messy and I throw things because I have this really pretty bin, like basket. Really pretty from Home Goods. And I have a bunch of like random things in it that I don't want to see but that I need. And so to make it cuter, I throw this blanket over it, which is from Target. And then this is also my pile of stuff that I need to try on. So like this sweater I need to try on. That's my try on pile. That's the spot that's the messiest in my room. Then if you move over, there's this little area. So this is my calendar. This saves my life a million times over. I have to write things really big or else I'll forget. I got it at Home Goods. Moving down, this is the corner that I always feel like is never finished. Like I don't like the way it looks. It looks too messy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get bins for this shelf so that it doesn't look like I just threw stuff there. But anyway, this is my little, it was supposed to be my nightstand and then it didn't fit in that spot. I need to fix it and get something to close it with, but I made this with my dad and it holds all my like notebooks and textbooks, and then in here is a bunch more like random things. So that is a bag of markers, that's another perfume, there's like CDs and a sketchbook. The thing is living in a small apartment, you gotta kind of shove stuff places. That's what I did. So then I have 2 magazines and then this box of like stationery things plus my laundry card. And then this is supposed to go there. So that's really cute. It's like a body lotion from Latteray. Then my salt lamp, which I love. I'm obsessed with it. And then this little frame just to add some like height. I thought it needed something there. I'm gonna get something to fill it with. But it's just a gold frame I got from Salvation Army. And then this shelving unit I got on Amazon. I love it. It's really pretty. What I like about it is that it fits perfectly so that I can open my closet door perfectly. Another hourglass. I'm obsessed with them. My toothbrush. And then this is my toner, which I use every day. And then this is just a perfume box with a watch on top. And then this has my boots that I've been wearing, and then that's all my winter stuff, which is what I want to get a basket for. And then just my nicer bags. And to show you that I totally didn't just stage everything, there's a pair of shoes on top of my influencer box. So, you know, your room's never fully clean. Then this is my closet. Really cute. That's a picture I actually took my freshman year, the first week of classes. And I went down to Soho in between classes and I took that picture. Then I have a dream catcher and this little sketch that my mom bought me at Broadway Flea. And then my closet. It's pretty, I wouldn't say it's tiny. It's not the smallest closet I've seen, but it's not big. That is actually a shoe rack that I took the middle shelf off so that I could have more storage up there. Up there, I just have like a bin with some things, my sweatshirts and more bags. And then down here is a mess. That's my laundry basket. So to get to it, I have to take this basket, which is full of t-shirts, out and then pull this out. It's not a fun situation, but that's what I have. So that's my closet. And then moving right along, to the right of the closet, that's the door to give you some like point of reference. I have this clothing rack, which I got at IKEA and it's nailed to the wall. And then below it, this is like, you know, everyone has a chair that they have in their room and then it like, they put all their dirty clothes or their like partly clean clothes. That's what this is for me. So it's a bathroom cabinet. It's supposed to be put in a bathroom. And I have all my sheets and towels in there. And then on top of it, I have some things that I was trying on for a shoot that I'm going on. Usually I've been really good and I haven't used it for any other purpose other than photo shoot clothes. So it's not too bad. But that little corner, that's the bad part. Like there's just enough of a corner that I can shove things in. That's what I need to get on. That I need to fix and that I need to fix. And so this is the clothing rack. It's super helpful because all my bigger items that are a lot bulkier that I don't want to take up too much room in my closet can go here. Then above it, I installed this shelf with my air purifier, which is a lifesaver in an apartment because the air gets so stale and this helps filter it. And I have my little tacky boot mug from Texas right there. And then my little gnome dude that I made last Christmas in a video right up there. Then I have this beautiful mirror that I got at a tag sale. This is the first thing that I bought for the apartment. Like before we even moved in, I bought this and I strung some lights over it to make it cute. And it's really good because when you look at it, you can see the pictures, which I really liked. And it's really good for taking like some pictures in, like Instagram pictures. And it's just really pretty. I love like the faded gold. This, I would say this and the dresser are my two favorite pieces in my room. And then when you move over here, which is hidden by the door, is this really pretty, it matches the basket. I got this at Joann Fabrics hooks because like I said, you have to use all the space you have. So this is like my towel, my robe, a few hats. It's just kind of my everything storage. I think that covers it. I hope you guys love this video. Happy day 5 of my 25 Days of Gabi series, and I will see you on Monday with another video. Bye.